If you are using Microsoft Expression Web 4, okay, I'm using Microsoft Expression Web 4, and suppose if I want to replace this, for example, I'm going to select this site is under construction, so I move my mouse and I select this site is under construction. Okay, select this one, and suppose if I want to replace this using a keyboard shortcut in this you must simply click this control key and H key. So one of your finger is in control and another is in this H key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that here find and replace option come, and whatever in the test we have selected, it also arrived here. And after that, if what should be replaced, so here you must type something, that is example I'm going to type how are you, and if I press this replace all, then you can see that how are you arrived here. So remember, the keyboard shortcut is Control H for replacing in this Microsoft Expression Web 4. For more videos, subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.